I'm a business development manager of a real estate firm. I was going to Balogun every day. I was going to Balogun market every day when I got that job. Why? Because I needed to get clients. My role is to bring clients to the business. To be able to come to, and I've seen people that are selling banger. You know what they call banger now? People that are selling toothpick. They have the money to buy real estate. You'll be surprised. So as she said, there's anybody can buy real estate. You have to just put it into practice. You can decide that okay, from next week they are going into Balogun. That way you'll be resuming every week and you see results. Okay. So I'm here to talk about social media marketing because we all know that the world has gone digital. To the glory of God, last year, most of the few sales I made were through social media, basically WhatsApp. Most of the sales I made last year, I say 70% of the sales I made last year was through social media. And all of us, I believe if you have a smartphone, you're on WhatsApp already. Basic function, you're on WhatsApp. If you're not on WhatsApp, let me see. If you are not on WhatsApp, we're all on WhatsApp. So you can all market, you can all do it. Then the next one is Facebook. But according to statistics, there are monthly active users on Facebook, 2.8 billion on Facebook every month. Then every day is about 1.8 billion on Facebook. Then WhatsApp is about 1.6 billion on WhatsApp every day. And WhatsApp has the ability to process 6 billion messages every day. So that means the world 6 billion is up to how many? Well, population of the world now is about 7.something billion. You're looking at 1.8 billion daily users on Facebook. That's about how many percentage of the total world population. So if you are not on social media, you are making a mistake. And if you are not on social media showing your product, you are making a bigger mistake. Okay, so please and please, whatever I'm going to say today, I beg you, put it into practice. Whatever you have heard before now, put it into practice. So how do we use social media? Knowing all these statistics. First and foremost, the basic form of using social media, the basic form that we all use daily is our WhatsApp. Yes or no? Like today, who's here that has not sent a WhatsApp message today? I can't count how many WhatsApp messages I've sent today already. Okay? We all send WhatsApp messages. Alright? So the first thing to do, our advice, this is now me talking. Okay? Have a business WhatsApp. It's very easy to access. After having your normal WhatsApp for personal use, have your own business WhatsApp. You can get it on Android, on the Play Store on Android, on your iOS if there is an iPhone. Okay? Download the business WhatsApp. Okay? Put in your details, your name of your brand. Status. She said something about that. Put the properties you're selling. Put the properties you're selling every day. If you check my status today, I've already put something that you are selling on my WhatsApp status. So put whatever you are doing on your WhatsApp. Apart from entertainment, it's good to entertain. Entertainment draws the crowd to your status or to your WhatsApp. Then you now put the information you want them to see. You put your product. After now, I believe there's going to be a WhatsApp group, right?
Yeah, there's a WhatsApp group.
There's a WhatsApp group. On that WhatsApp group, there will be the products of Blue Dot will be sent. So that's where you can get products to put on your status or to share with your friends and family. After putting on your status, the next thing to create is a WhatsApp group and a WhatsApp broadcast list. I tell people these are very key. It's very simple. On your WhatsApp, on the please everybody, if you can, bring out your phones. I like doing practical. I don't know how to do it talk. Let's do practical. Bring out your phones. On your WhatsApp homepage, you'll see three dots at the right hand side. Three dots at the right hand side. If you click on it, you see either new podcast or new group. So you can start to create any one. If you click on it, you can create a podcast list or a group. What is the difference? A group, everybody can communicate in that group. Whoever you add to the group can communicate with you. Everybody can communicate with each other. But a broadcast list, you are sending to people directly. So you can send one message and 256 people get it, because that's the total amount of people you can put on your podcast list. So if you send one flyer, instead of going to each person's name on your contact list, every time you sit down and start looking at people's name. You just create the podcast list. So when you send it one time, it goes to 256 people. I do that every week. There's no week I don't send out things on real estate to my podcast list. And to the glory of God, I have three podcasts because I'm intentional about my business. This is why I eat. This is why I eat from. Okay, so you have to be intentional about what you're doing. Every day or every week, you must make sure you send something out on your podcast list. And please, when you're adding people to the podcast list, as you're creating the podcast list, they'll try to add people to the list. Always let them know that you're adding them. If it's a group, you put a group description what the group is about. Because you just add people to a group like that, they will come up, they will just exit by themselves, which you don't want. So it is good and it is necessary for you to put it. If it's the WhatsApp group, put a description what this group is about and what you want to achieve. And I want to say this: you use WhatsApp group for people of like minds. Okay, WhatsApp group for people of like minds. So if I'm creating a group like Blue Dot as a group, it is for all realtors, for all like-minded people about real estate. That is what your WhatsApp group is for. Then your WhatsApp podcast should be for clients alone. Clients alone. Do not put fellow realtors, as I will not put you in my podcast list because I know two of us are doing the same business and you will not come and buy from me. You will buy from yourself. Okay? So what you do is on the podcast list, make sure it is just clients, people you want to reach out to, people that you want to tell about your business and want to buy from you, or people that you know somebody that can buy from you. Then on the group, make it people that have same business. You're a realtor, person is a realtor, we're all realtors. You can discuss, you can ask questions, the person can help you out, you can help the person out. That is what the group is for. But there's something, this is a writer, there's something somebody did, his name is Bandy. He created an investment group. Look at it, it's a WhatsApp group, but he termed it an investment group. So he told everybody on the group, right, we can talk about various forms of investment. So whoever is in the group, if you're an insurance person, if you're a travel and tours person, or if you're a cryptocurrency person, you're on the group, I can talk about it. But he too will now talk about real estate. Why? All those people are talking about investment. They might know somebody or they themselves may be interested in an alternative form of investment apart from the one they are familiar with. That's another way you can handle it. Okay, but primarily our advice, your WhatsApp group should be for your colleagues and then your broadcast list should be for your clients. So how many of us are going to do that? Assignment. We're all on the group, man. They're all on the group. So assignment, you guys will create a snapshot and send to the group to analyze. If you don't do it, what's the penalty? Create your WhatsApp list, your WhatsApp broadcast list, and your WhatsApp group. Create it, snapshot. You know how to do a snapshot on your phone, and send it to the group you are in, to show that you have done it. Okay? When you do that, fine. If you don't do it, there'll be a penalty. They will say the penalty. The others at the top will say the penalty. I don't know what penalty this is. Okay. So that is that about WhatsApp. Please, it is very simple. Then you have to be professional on your WhatsApp. Most people, your profile picture is maybe you and your husband eating jollof rice. Which hotel will I use? In Orchid Hotel. Which hotel? Hotel. Orchid Hotel. Or you on the beach somewhere in a Leko. Or after this one now, you snap yourself on the swing and you now put it. You're planning that. Okay, so what you do is take a professional looking photograph. Not necessarily suit up and tie, but more likely a face shot. Because when you send a message to somebody, what do? They check out your profile first. They check out who you are. So if you have a sharp looking profile, sorry to say, nobody will take you serious. It's a psychological thing. But if you see Madam's profile picture that she changed this year, me of this year, wow, there's no how she'll put come and buy land, you know that I'll buy this land. You
In fact,
understand?
when clients check the first thing they say is, you look good. That's the first thing they say before they start talking.
So you need it, please. Your profile picture says a lot about yourself. Then your cover photo. Your cover photo is more on your, okay, no, that will be on Facebook. So that's that about WhatsApp. Okay. Any question before I go forward? Any question?